All right, welcome back to Omni Garage. So today's been a real special day for us. We've been invited here to Duratuf, and we're doing a collab with Duratuf, and they've gifted us a shed. And so here we are touring the facility today to learn about the product and get some information to basically give to you guys about why you should choose Duratuf for your garden shed.
Yeah, so a little bit of history. So Duratuf, I've actually had two sheds from the company before that I've gone out, purchased myself, constructed. I've had one of the really big sheds in the property I was in Cambridge, and prior to that I had one of the, the lesser timber frame ones from the Kiwi range in my property in Hamilton. So for us, when we're going out looking for a shed, Duratuf was the first one that came
absolutely.
to mind.
I mean,
you know, Kiwi brand, made in New Zealand, and the product's quality because we've had it before. So it was a no-brainer to reach out to Duratuf and see if they wanted to work with us on another shed project.
Yeah, so we'll take you around the factory here, show you a few bits of interesting things that we think you guys would like to see how your shed is basically produced.
So this is really interesting to see. So we've got the coil here, so it comes in and then goes onto this machine over here.
So here is the coil, which is the metal here, and so this metal is 0.4 gauge. It's got a zinc topped with paint, and that's what gives you the durability of your shed. So as this coil is rolled through this machine, it is rolled into the 6-rib pattern, which is the shed that we've got coming, and so that forms the roof and the sides of the shed. And you can see it will eventually pop out as the end product over here. So as the raw sheet comes off the production line here, this is how they store it. So we've got our gable roofing here, side panels, and some other roof panels here. But for me, what was really important is being able to see the large range of color samples here. Well, not necessarily samples, but the large range of color that you can choose from. And so if you do email Duratuf, they will send you out a sample, which I think is really important, especially if you're trying to match this up with the side of your house and things like that. But man, how cool is this to come in and actually see the product and touch it and really see the colors. And it is pretty much like for like. So the color that you get is pretty much, well, the color that you're seeing online is pretty much the same color that you're getting in the store here.
And the range of colors that they offer as well match up quite nicely. So the color that we've gone for the shed here is this one, which is ebony. And that was really easy to match up because that was the color that we've gone with for all of the finishes in terms of roofing on the property. But yeah, you're absolutely right. If you are trying to match this to a property where you don't know exactly what color you're looking for, reach out to Duratuf and they'll be able to send you a sample so you're able to order specifically the product that's going to suit your property the best. And the other great thing is you can do a dual color tone as well. So you can do a contrasting color on your doors than you can to the body of the shed.
So this is essentially how your shed's going to become packaged. So this is everything you're going to need bar the wood, so bar the flooring, and if you did opt for wooden sides. But what I'm really excited about is that it comes with a bit of touch-up paint. So this shed is mist green, and you know, if you damage your shed in a couple of months' time, you took a bit of a nick out the side, you can touch it up. So that's really handy there. And here we can see all of our hardware, rivet gun, and so for me, I really like seeing this stuff, and I hope you guys too, because this is how it's going to come packaged.
And so all of our timber comes off the machine across here, feeds through here where they're stocking it up and storing it, and then it gets packaged. And what you end up seeing here are various bits of wood that you're going to need to construct your shed. These are all ready to go, and these will be packaged up along with what we've just seen, the other package. They get palleted together and out the door to the customer. All right, so off the production line and into the back of the trailer here, we've got the shed itself, we've got the timber kit, and also the timber flooring kit as well. So huge thanks to Duratuf for bringing us out, showing us the manufacturing line. Really interesting to see exactly what goes in to the behind the scenes on putting all of this together, rather than just picking this up off a shelf and putting it on the trailer. So next part of the series, we're going to actually take you to site and show you all of the measurements. We're going to run through the shed builder process as well, show where Duratuf are really changing the game in that space to enable you to have a look and visualize the shed that you're actually building. We'll show you some of the accessories that we added on as well before we move into the actual build process of this, and then we get to fit out. So a few exciting episodes to come. Again, huge thanks to Duratuf for gifting us this shed. Really fortunate to be working with them and showing you guys why a Duratuf shed is the one that you want in your backyard. We'll see you guys in the next video.